Out to southwesterly breeze, averaging about 10. It'll get busy this afternoon. Dew points now back into that muggy range, running in the 60s across the area, and these dew points will get a little bit higher. Waiting for some rain. No rain around here this morning, but here's that line of scattered showers and storms, which will be approaching later on this afternoon, and especially during the evening hours. We have a weak cold front that is slowly approaching from the west, and it's going to kind of die out over the area overnight tonight, so no push for drier air, but we do expect to see some of these scattered showers and storms. Here's Irene, Category 3. Planes flew into it at about 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning and came back with 115-mile-an-hour winds. It did not get any stronger during the overnight hours, but still has a chance of intensifying briefly to a Category 4. It is moving northwest at 12. The Bahamas getting pounded now. It's roughly about 70 miles east-southeast of Nassau in the Bahamas. Hurricane watches have now been extended across coastal North Carolina right to the Virginia border. Track hasn't changed very much. It's going to make that turn to the north as a Category 3, and then perhaps moving right on the Outer Banks as a Category 2 early on Sunday morning. And then from that point, the track models still take it either over us or just to the west of us. The spread now has kind of shifted a little further to the west. With this kind of a track, the concern is the storm surge, the wind damage, not so much the rain. But still, we could end up with 3, 4, 5 inches of rain as it begins later on Saturday afternoon. We're hoping as it tracks into this position, and this is where the ocean temperatures are a lot cooler, it'll go from a strong Category 2 to a weaker Category 1 before making landfall, and that would make a significant difference as far as how much damage we get. But do expect tremendous problems from this system during the day on Sunday. That's the timetable right now. For us here in the northeast, temperatures are warm, but the real heat still building to the south and west, and a few scattered showers, even the chance of a thunderstorm. Muggy tonight. Overnight lows 65 to 70 degrees. We'll climb to about 80, breezy, humid at noontime, low 80s away from the coast, and here come that shower and thunder shower activity right through about 9 o'clock tonight. On the bay, look for that wind out of the southwest, increasing at 15 to 25 knots and gusty. High tide at 5:24 in Newport. Swimmers, be advised, rip current risk moderate, and that's going to be a problem now as you head into the beaches. You may want to stay away from the ocean. The ocean will start to churn up well out ahead of Irene, so that is a major concern. As far as safe sun, you have about 25 minutes. The scale is 7 out of 9. 83, some scattered showers and storms late today and tonight. 85, partly sunny, very humid and warm tomorrow. Saturday, some of the rain from Irene will start to bring in some showers, especially in the afternoon and at night. And then Sunday, we expect hurricane-force conditions with a windswept rain. Heavy at times, 78 for a high on Sunday. Sunny, windy as we dry out and clean up on Monday, and a temperature around 80 on Tuesday.